Hi, I'm Maya. I make videos about responsible design, conscious consumption, and sustainable life. Today, I want to share with you a day in my life, autumnal day in my life. I have to do some stuff that remind me of autumn, and also I want to spend a cozy evening. So I thought it would be perfect day to record something like this. I'm going to plant some flowers in the garden. My grandmother bought these flowers that are called Michałki, and it's the name of my father. She thought that they could be planted near the trees that my father had planted. So I'm going to do this today, and these are like autumnal flowers. They bloom in September and stay alive till the first cold, like freezing temperatures. So I think that planting autumnal flowers in the garden is perfect content for this video. So enjoy. Flowers are planted, and I want to add quickly that if you have flowers or any plants in plastic pots like this, and you put them into the ground or replant them into bigger pots, leave this pot somewhere to reuse them later, exactly for like repotting your house plants. Because in garden I think it's like you don't have the purpose for this kind of like pot. If you have house plants, then it will come in handy. I'm getting ready to go out with my dogs, and I just thought about something that for me is super normal, because I prefer to dress myself warmer than to like use electricity or use the fireplace to heat the home. And also I live in old buildings, so it's kind of hard to heat it up. And I just want to say that I'm wearing long sleeve, underneath it one sweater with turtleneck, and on this also another sweater. And it's funny to me because it's my normal day-to-day look. Like in summer I can't stand the heat, and I like summer, but it's not my favorite weather. And when autumn comes, it's all about knitted things and sweaters and layering them in multiple quantities. So right now I'm going out with my dogs, and I will just switch the other sweater like this one for a jacket, and we'll go to the forest for a walk. Even though most of the trees are green and There are only a few yellow leaves. You can feel the autumn vibe in the forest. I'm making myself dinner. It's dark outside already. This kind of reminds me. This is one of the first signs of autumn for me, that it's dark early. I'm making mushroom pasta with mushroom sauce. But I want to talk about mushrooms because these are frozen mushrooms that I have picked last week with my friends. We had like full baskets and bags of mushrooms. So now my frozen freezer is full of them. And I'm using mushrooms with everything. But it's kind of amazing that we went for 3 hours to the woods and we have picked out so many mushrooms that each one of us has many for many days. It was really fun. So if you have opportunity to go mushroom picking, I highly recommend this. These mushrooms turn into this pinkish purple color when you heat them up. I have sat down to read something and I think I will just chill a little bit and wind down before going to bed. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment down below if you like autumn or if you prefer other seasons, and if so, which ones. Thank you so much for watching and see you next weekend.